Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you a fun milk science experiment. If you want to try this at home, I encourage you to, but if you just want to watch, that is fine too. However, if you're going to try this at home, make sure your parents, grandparents, aunt, uncle, brother, sister, whoever is there to help you, make sure they help you because this can get kind of tricky and kind of messy if you don't do it carefully. So what you need for this experiment is some milk, so I just put it in this measuring cup. To the side. A plate, like a shallow plate, so it has that. Some food coloring, so I have red, blue, orange, and green. Some dish soap. A container to pour the dish soap in when we get there. And a Q-tip. Alright, so now that I have all my materials ready, I think I can get started with the experiment. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take my milk and I'm going to pour it very carefully. So I'll move these food coloring so you can see. I want to pour this carefully into my shallow bowl. This is the part where you might need your parents to help you. I'm going to carefully pour the milk into my shallow bowl. So it's covering the rim pretty much. Alright, so I'm going to put that to the side. So now that I have my milk in my bowl, I'm going to now take one color of my food coloring and I'm going to drop some drops in the center of my bowl. So I'm going to do 2 drops, 3 drops in the same area of red towards the center. Then I'm going to take my blue and I'm going to do the same thing. Next to it, I'm going to put 3 drops of blue together. I'm going to take my orange, do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do 4 for that. And then I'm going to take, last but not least, my green. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so now that all my food coloring, I'll show you, is like that in the center of my plate, I'm going to take my dish soap, open it, and I'm going to pour just some into this container, not a lot, just a little bit. A couple drops will do, not even. Just like that, barely any. Close that, put it to the side. Next, I'm going to take my Q-tip and I'm just going to soak it, rub it into the dish soap, just like this. Until it's all drenched in my dish soap. So it looks something like this. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it. Sorry. Do this. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my dish soap Q-tip and I'm going to put it in the middle of my food coloring drops. Are you ready? Watch what happens. Whoa. Do you see that? All the colors expanded so quickly. That is so cool. And if you look in the center, it's still moving. All the colors are still going out from the Q-tip. Get you a better look. Look at that. Super cool. So satisfying to watch the colors. Oh look, my Q-tip stuck. So if you want to try this at home, I encourage you. Oh, it dropped. And if you just wanted to watch, that is okay. So this is like 5 minutes later. I think my colors are all spread out now, and it looks so cool. So if you just wait a couple minutes after you do it, you can still see some of the colors move and go around each other. It's kind of cool. If you do it, maybe send us a picture of what yours looks like.